everybody. Today I am coming to you with a special guest. This is Jack. He's liked being in my videos since he was a wee one. We are bringing to you the Simply Earth box. This is my first box, so I got a bonus box. This is a really neat box on how brings you essential oils, but then it has recipes and different ingredients that show you things that you can use your essential oils for. I've always been fascinated with essential oils, but other than diffusing them, I didn't know how to use them. That's what makes this so exciting. So the bonus box is what you get. I believe you get it once every 6 months, and it comes with the different carrier oils that you need. It comes with the coconut oil, and that's the carrier oil. There's an almond oil. There's also a carrier oil, and then a solid coconut oil, and then all kinds of roller balls and roller ball bottles, and little mixer bottles so you can mix your oils. Oh, and beeswax. I think I'll need this to make lip balm. And then every month you will get a box that looks like this. This has the different recipes and the different essential oils in them. And I'll show you what I got in my box. It looks like this. Whoops, I just dumped them. It comes with the cards, which are your different recipes. Like this one is called Sleepy Roll-On. This one is Lemon Meringue Lip Balm, Immunity Boost Hand Sanitizer. That's useful. A Fresh Air Diffuser Blend. Detox Bath. And Toxin-Free Surface Cleaner. So I can make all of these things with this box, and this is really neat. It comes with a sheet of stickers so that I can label the bottles when I'm done making them. Back to the cards quickly. On the back, it shows each essential oil that you get, and it tells everything from different uses, if they're kid safe, if they're pregnancy safe, if they're dog safe. So I think that's really, really creative. And then it has your essential oils. It also came with aloe vera for probably for the hand sanitizer, lip balms, and a spray bottle. Now let me share the oils that I got. Oh, careful. This is my favorite of the 4 that they gave me this time. It's a lemon. And it smells just like lemon, like a lemon peel. I've already diffused this once, and it may just be my imagination, but I really felt like it gave me energy. I also got, this one is called frankincense. You want to smell it? What do you think frankincense smells like?
I don't know.
It smells like dirt.
It smells a little bit like lemons.
Well, you might have smelled this. Smell this. This is the lemon.
Yeah, it does.
I really like the lemon. That's my favorite.
It.
And then
It does smell like lemon.
this one is tea tree. This my grandparents, when I was little, sold Melaleuca, and that was a line of products with tea tree in it. So this will smell like them. What do you think of that? Smells kind of like medicine. Yeah. I think that this will be good for when you're stuffy, though. When you have your sinus infection, it'll help clear that out.
I'm gonna cut this out.
No. And then I have, this is a blend. It's called Sleepy. Want to smell sleepy? This is what I was diffusing last night.
I kind of don't like it.
It's got a lot of lavender in it. He says he doesn't like it. Let's see if it tells me what's in here. It says, use Sleepy to help you relax and get some rest after a long day. It's got lavender, grapefruit, hoe wood, and bergamot. And you don't like it? Okay. Some of them you won't like. I'm looking back over the recipe. So the Sleepy Roll-On, you use the Sleepy Essence Blend, almond oil, and the roll-on bottles that they brought us. So that's pretty easy.
I need to adjust, okay?
Okay. And then the Lemon Meringue Lip Balm will use both frankincense and the lemon, and then some of the beeswax and other oils. So that one I believe you have to get on the stove and do. And the hand sanitizer, and this is what you would use the aloe for, but you also add a little bit of alcohol, tree oil, lemon, and frankincense, so you use all of those. And I think the Fresh Air Diffuser Blend, you use all of them too. Yes, you use 3 drops of the lemon, 1 drop of the tea tree, 2 drops of the frankincense, and put that in a blender bottle. And I was reading earlier, and it did say that it actually has an antibacterial property, so that could get germs out of the air, which is nice. So that's pretty much all that I got in this box. I'm really excited to get in here, start using some of these recipes. That's all I have to show for now. I will show next month when I get it. This is one that I definitely think I want to keep a few months to see what all that they bring you. I will look. I used a code from another YouTuber and actually got a $40 gift certificate to their website to go with this bonus box. So I ordered a new diffuser and I still have some money left over to spend. So I'll see if I can share that code with you if the YouTuber doesn't mind. Thank you for joining me. Jack, say goodbye. Jack will be joining me with his brother Matt when we unbox our Universal Yums box. We get to try all the snacks from a different country.
So excited.
I'm excited too. So that'll be later this week. Thank you. Bye-bye.